Hello everyone, my name is Akshay and I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I completed my MCA from GLA University in 2025 and I scored 88%. So I started the journey in Jspiders in January 15. So from starting this, it's start from my skill batch. Then later, I attended core Java, and we get the concept here in depth. Like I know some little bit Java and SQL, but when I in India, so I get the depth knowledge of each subject, and it helped me out. And if you are well trained, that you can learn from them also. And they are also mock test. You can also check yourself where you are standing in that position. You are in a beginner level or intermediate or advanced. You can get it so that you can perform as well as in your interview. And presentation is also helping you how to get you to present everything in better way so that you can also do it or you can also find your lagging area that you can change it or you can improve it. So in this type video, I feel like it is a very good platform where you can improve it. And I am playing. So this is my journey.